Damn, I can't see nothing. Me neither.
All right, Mr. Oh, my bad. Well, do you know why I brought you in here today? Look.
No. But you can't wait my son right now.
Man, I don't know nothing. Now, we have footage of you and another...
Yeah, we're gonna see how much we let. See, we can start with it, okay? And I'm gonna go make up the song. How? We won't be able to make something with it, man.
individual at the scene of a crime. Now, I suggest you tell us who did it, or you could be doing some serious time. No. Look, man, I ain't no snitch. I'm not saying nothing.
Wait a minute. You always do the other story.
Okay. You see this iPhone right here? It got all of NBA YoungBoy's unreleased music. Every single song. And it's yours if you speak up.
Okay. And sometimes when it comes out,
Wait, you said YoungBoy? Alright, man, I was with Sean.
Yeah. Look, we gotta start for directions. We got respect for our Jesus, friends, and stores. I know, right? How you gonna say that? Nice.
Michael Adams III.
Guys, can you please keep it down? I'm trying to get to sleep here. What? Yeah, I'm trying to get to sleep. It should be
baseball
quiet.
bat. He was wearing a black hoodie, blue pants, black shoes. He drives a red car, and he lives down there on 8th Street. Man, I ain't playing with nobody today. No. Hey, what did George Washington say? There's other fish in the sea. You'll be straight. No, trip.
You're not the teacher. You just dropped them off.
How's she gonna cheat on me, bro?
I don't know, but every chicken, Big Mouth.
I did everything for her. I took her to McDonald's. I bought her some chicken. Hey, bro. All right, Mr. Murray. Why are you late to class?
Why are we late to class? Because the only thing with the guy. We're not forced to do a good for recipe. Excuse me? You need to start showing some respect. No! But it's the good for recipe. But you gotta know the good. That's the only thing with the go. See, mama.
What you talking about? The bell just rang?
Yeah. I don't think this now. So I bet we cannot go anywhere.
In school suspension. Oh, bro, for what? Now. Nah, I just got here.
Guys, peace, relax. No. But I said we got stuff on directions. But do you
Man, this man got me in this sorry ass. Excuse me, sir.
There was no talking here. Have a seat.
Man, I ain't want to be in this dumbass shit, man. Excuse me, sir. There's no phones in here. Give me your phone. No, I ain't giving you shit. Oh,
give me the phone.
Give me the cell phone, or I'm gonna have to expel you. You know what? All right, bro. I'm gonna put the phone away. Shit, tripping.
You gotta go.
Excuse me, sir. There's no breathing in here.
I'm going
home. Excuse me. Hey, bro, where your Valentine at? Damn, bro, where was you at yesterday? Man, I overslept. I thought I might as well just stay home. Man, you missed everything. Alright, Mr. Welcome back to Channel 7 News.
Wow!
It's
so cool!
It's Tamika!
Hey,
Tamika!
Remote!
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Gabby, you're
I'm going to gymnastics class now.
You must be Kristen.
That's me. Great.
Take off your shoes.
And go to the others.
You can sit here.
You can see me in the mat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, girls.
Come on, guys.
Teacher, call me a
Did you see this little awkward listen? Nah. You can see it, man. Stop it down. Listen. What's the person there?
So excited.
I'm so excited.
You're
You're going to love it, Kristen. It's so much fun.
All
Alright, guys. I'm going to the math. That's the one going to the math.
Welcome
What's up, Kristen?
to beginner class.
This in the class. Yeah, Mr. Gets. I am the only people on the mess. I am the super.
Let's see.
Let's see. Christian. If this is the only
I'll put you into
I'll
the
put
next
it
level.
in. Cool. Thanks.
Chelsea, this is Tamika, Veronica,
And
Amy,
then-
and Talia.
Thanks, Kristen Hilton. This is Murph, Crocodile, Noah, White Box, Orange Diego, Black Hat, Communication Device, Peppa, Lucas, and who else? Noah.
Hi,
Hi, everybody. Today we are going to be looking at me.
another
Having next to and the manual we're going to go Yay!
It's time to go, everyone.
I wanted to play since I was today, Mom.
That's great.
Some of your
So I'm the only freedom in the guys. So let's give I was supposed to be not yet, Christian. Remember, this is the only way man. Maureen. Crocodile. Why did you saw Christian cartwheel? Sure. Well, I already know. Perfect.
one more.
And one more.
Great.
Right.
Good working.
Good work. Now, how about me? All right, Tristan. You see how we go?
That's one.
That's one.
And
And that's two.
not bad.
Not bad, Kristen.
And
And another. You can stop right now, Kristen. And one more.
Chelsea.
Kristen. And another.
Chelsea. Stop.
And another. Kristen! Stop!
And two. Chelsea.
Kristen! I'm alright. I think. Now, we cannot wait much of the time. Now, who's going to be go for it for right now? Communication advice.
On the small.
Communication advice. Oh, the small beam in there?
Yes.
That's not a beam. With a boop bar. Already?
Arms.
Now, I saw. And start moving forward. Very good.
Nice and slow.
Nice and slow. Oops,
Sorry.
sorry.
That's fine.
That's fine. Alright, Matt. My turn.
Right, Chelsea.
All right, Kristen. Yeah.
Sometimes you have to ask for help.
Hey, where are you going?
One is
Come see more. Yeah, if you like. Yay! Epic goal there. That's because of
It's cold.
And it's called a beam.
And no.
And she probably should not. Ready? Now, I'm gonna need you to watch Christian. That should be easy.
Chelsea.
Kristen,
Where did she go?
where did you go? I'm at that one like that. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Great job, Big Black Hat. Give your balance. How are you? This is like this? Yes. Good. Now touch it. Tristan, I will. Tristan, no! a new burger. I've never seen that before. Yeah! I've been going here. That's the only time for I have to tell you.
Thanks, Annabelle.
Thanks, Darren.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Great, Tamika.
Talk about trash. Whoa. Oh, that was.
Hey, yeah, how old are you? Thank you, Darren. You're welcome.
Whoa.
Great job, Peppa.
Landon. Yes, the city can be a hard place.
Perfect.
Great crocodile. Come on, Kristen. Your turn.
Come on, Chelsea.
Come on.
You can do
Look
it.
at Darren. And jump. Ooh. Kristen, you okay? I think so. Oh boy.
Maybe we should.
Yeah.
I know.
I know.
Very
Oh,
embarrassed.
embarrassed.
Well, I don't know. I've never tried to say
Very
it.
good.
Very good communication advice.
Jump off.
And jump off.
Well done.
Well done. Much better than last time. And who was last?
Chelsea.
Kristen.
Sure you're
Are you sure you want to do this?
I'll be fine.
I'll be fine. Alright, up you get.
Sweet.
Just start swinging forward.
That's it.
That's it.
Good.
Good.
Finally, she's
File.
doing
Sheep is
something.
Let's see how the little tree's doing. What's happening? I'm not sure. Please don't. Oh, bummer.
All right. Hey, bro, good game.
Hey, bro, good game. See. Oh no, Peppa fall down.